Chinelas pangalan daw siya nun. Nung naka-block siya at diniro nila at linoko nila yung lalaking na-block niya.
Ni Abby.
Mula nun, parang nasabi niya, gusto ko tong sport na to. She liked the sport.
Volleyball was really so popular probably 10, 15, or probably 20, 25 years back na kasama lagi yan sa summer activities. No? Wow, this is a good rally here from Ateneo.
What a serve by
I
Hervasio.
was about to say, and what started off this rally and each sequence that Ateneo gets a point from is that serve of Ziervasio.
Kasi bumalik
I
ka agad
don't
yung...
jinx her. I just don't want to say anything about this serve.
Damn! At tinuro pa ni Ferrer.
That is the fourth straight
Yes!
serve.
That was you, see?
And the fans love it. The fans love it.
Ito mo sa atin, pinag-uusapan lang natin yung volleyball beginnings nitong si Abby Maraño. And all of a sudden, the lead is now 2 as you see a Shakey's fast serve brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family.
Kaya po that when half on half court, in volleyball it used to be like that. Medyo may konting organization because it's full court. Another service ace. Wow! Grabe yung serve.
It's like she, alam naman natin magaling na siya mag-serve, but there's something different about it here in the finals. It's a little sharper.
That's what I was saying. Baka late niyang kinukuha, hindi talaga sa taas na taas. Medyo mababang konti. Kaya maganda yung tawid sa net.
Ito na naman yung angulo ni Phil. Inangulo na naman, oh. And
It's like
she's finding
Ateneo
a spot.
came in.
And she continues to serve. She's been doing that for the last 5 years.
May huling pitik sa dulo.
Meron nga. Tan.
That's
It's out.
no
one.
There could be something wrong with our stats right now.
That's right, it's another one.
Oh, this is going to bring the house down.
This is crazy. And they're not going to call a timeout. Coach Ramil is waiting for the technical timeout as he sends back Fajardo and Gumabaw.
You know what?
Hervasio skirts the line on this one. Yes, Ian.
It's like the